Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to discuss about intersect function in Power BI. So what is intersect function and when generally we use intersect function? Intersect function returns all the rows from the left table which also appear in the right table. So when there is a requirement that we need to figure it out the records which are present in one table and that records are also present in another table, then with the help of an intersect function we can able to do it. So suppose this is the one table left table and this is the right table, and this the records are intersect table which are present in both the table. So the resulting table contains all the rows which appears in both tables. So with the help of an intersect function, it will going to create a table, and that table has all the records which are present in left table as well as in the right table. This is the signature of the intersect function. This is the left table, this is the right table. One thing we need to note here, the first table must be the table within the data model. So this table, this left table must be a table from the data model. Based on that, let's discuss couple of more points. Order matters. T1, T2 may have a different result set than T2, T1. So whatever the column it would be, the order of the column matters, or the order of table, the left table and the right table, it will matter. So we need to take care whenever we are providing the ordering of the left table or the right table. Columns are compared based on the positioning of their respective tables. So whenever this intersect function will going to compare the columns of each table, their respective table positioning will going to matter. Duplicate records are retained. So if there are duplicate records which are appeared both table, then it will be retained. Column name are determined by the left table. So the column name, the resultant column name, which will be present in the table after using the intersect function, those column name will be determined by the left table. This whatever the table name we are giving here, this left table, the column name will be determined by this table. The resulting table does not retain the relationship to other table, cannot be used in the expanded table. Okay, so when this resulting table will going to create with the help of an intersect function, which has all the records which are present in the left table and in the right table, it does not retain the relationship with other tables, and it also does not participate in the expanded table which generally occurs in Power BI behind the scene. In this exercise, we are going to use this data model. If you want to understand the data model, then please watch video number 12 in this playlist. Okay, let's discuss this DAX expression. So what I am just doing, I am creating a table, and the table I am using the table I am creating with the help of an intersect function. So this is the column, or this is the table which we are creating with the help of an add column. So what the add columns will going to do, it will going to take all the columns which are present in AP sales by store table, and it will going to add one more column, that is AP retail total sales, and the value of this column is going to populate with the help of these measures which we have created earlier. Same thing. So during the discussion of the overview of intersect function, I have told you that the left table must be the table from the data model. Since this is already present in the data model, we are only adding one column on top of it. That's why we have used column name function. Second table we are also creating with the help of a column name, but instead of the physical table, here we are writing a expression. Here we are writing the expression. Which kind of expression we are writing? We are saying that filter this table based on the transaction date, and the transaction date should be greater than 28th October 2016. When this table gets created, on top of that table, what I am doing, I am adding one more column known as the AP retail total sales, and the value which this column will going to have, that value will going to populate with the help of this AP customer sales measure. And when the intersection will going to happen, so it will see what are the records which are present in this table, and what are the records which are present in this table. The common records will be the part of this newly created table. So let me do this exercise in Power BI. Let me create a table. Name of the table is AP Retail Intersect. How the data will going to populate? The data will going to populate with the help of an intersect function. And in the set intersect function, what is the left table? So first we are going to use add columns, because we are going to add one extra column, and the left table name is AP Retail Sales by Store. And what the column we are going to add? The column which we are going to add is AP Retail Total Sales. How the data will going to populate in this column? The data will going to populate with the help of this measure. So the first table, the left table is this one. Let's create a right table. Again, let's use the add column function. And here, instead of giving the physical table, here we have given the physical table. Although we are going to use add columns to create this column name on top of that, but here we can give the physical, but this left column must be a physical column. Physical table. This left table must be a physical table. This add columns, no, here we can give the physical table, we can give a table expression as well. So let's give an expression. This is a filter. Filter what? Filter on top of AP retail sales by store, and it will going to filter all the records AP retail sales by store, where transaction date, we are looking for the transaction date. Transaction date is greater than 2016 10 28. So this is the filter condition which we have added. So it will going to take all the data from AP sales by store records where AP transaction date is greater than 28th October 2016. On top of that, we are going to add one extra column. The name of the column is AP. This is the same column we are going to take it. So let me copy from here. This is the name of the column. And how the, okay, sorry. And how the value will going to populate in this in this column, the value will going to populate with the help of this measure. Let me put here. Let me run it. It is taking some time because this AP retail sales by store is a very big table. So let's wait couple of more minutes. Okay, this table has been created, right? So this table has all the data which are present in this table as well as in this table. This is the left hand side table. The left hand side table must be the table which are from the data model. So this table AP retail sales by store is the table which is present in the data model. Only what we are doing, we are adding a extra column with the help of a add column function. That's all. And this is the name of the column, and the value is going to populate with the help of this measure. But the second column could be, but second table could be physical table as well as a table expression. So this is a table expression. What it is doing, it is filtering on top of AP sales by store table, and it is checking the transaction date must be greater than this date. And when this table gets created, on top of that table we are creating another column, that is AP retail by AP retail total sales, and the value is populating with the help of a AP retail customer sales measure. So in this video, we have seen how intersect function works in Power BI and how we can use intersect function in Power BI. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.